So who do we have? We have Red. We have Cal.
He was Roscoe. They renamed him Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking. Okay. Honorable mention, Stephen Hawking and Abby.
Oh my God, I'm
We
so
can't
happy.
have another Roscoe. Oh, nice one.
That was a big hurt.
Yes, right. His name is thumbs up because he can't hear.
Yep.
You're such a good boy.